Hello, my name is Steven and I love FIFA 13 and Grand Theft Auto 4. We come on the news and talk about what we like and what tastes like Brian, and that's something you just don't detour interact with.
Hello, I'm some random bum who was asked to come on the show tonight, and after I get free food and a cup of octopus tentacles mashed in a blender and poured into a cup.
Hi, my name is Rory. I love Black Ops 2. I have gold guns, and sometimes when I'm alone I use my good luck charm. For a match I shove the controller so far up my ass China can hear me.
Haha Rory, we know already. We have CCTV in your bedroom and we see all the cocaine, weed and steroids you take, but we won't tell if you give us loads and loads.
What the fuck, you stupid pervs and gobsmacked? Just tell me one thing, was I any good? How did I look?
Inda, you're fried out of it.
What? Oh hi, and do I love coffee? I'm saying "aw baby" to my dog, and I secretly have a big long tail. And hi mom, emo TV, and yes mom, I will be back Beth for 10 now. You embrace me.
Haha, and you would get along great with my some random bum nephew. He is always fried out of it and he loves eating chocolate pillows out of the box.
Oh my god, now I finally found someone of my species. Yay, I'm so happy now. Maybe I need coffee. Huh, Stefan, will you be a good cousin and make me one?